Hi, good day all. This is Asa from Mint Trinkets, and thank you very much for joining me. For today's episode, we're going to upcycle a notebook, just a regular notebook made of leather. We're just going to upcycle it and make it a shabby, chic, vintagey, pretty book. And this is what I have here. I'm just going to show you. And this is the inside of the book. I've left the inside as is because it matches my. As usual, all my videos are really quick, really simple, and really easy. So stay with me and let's get started. And this is the book that we will be using to upcycle. It's made with leather and it's a bit torn and rugged. Over here there's a nice magnetic clasp which I wish to keep. The inside is very new, so I don't need to interfere with the inside, and this is the back. These are the two sheets of scrap paper we will be using for our upcycling or to cover our notebooks. I'm going to use this piece of masking tape. It's a very strong tape and it works well. The name of the tape is Tape Bear and the color matches the book. Just stuck the tape on there, and now I'm going to tape it all the way down, even it out by the spine, stick it down nice and steady. Close it in. So I've just cut two strips, which I'm going to place to the edge like this and tape it down. I'm going to place some glue. This is a double-sided scrapbook designer's paper. Tape it down right to the edge close to where the stitching is. And even it out with the bone folder. Do the same for the other side. And these are the other two strips for the edging here. So I'm just going to stick this down. Stick the other side. And this is what our book would look like when it's finished. If you wish, you can also cover this part with your scrapbook paper. I personally like the contrast of it, so I am going to leave it. Top a bit by adding a little charm, and this is what I have here. It's a nice little vintage charm with a cross and iridescent butterfly. So I am just going to attach it on the magnetic strip. Just like that. Of course, there are many uses for the book. You can even use it to store scraps, store scrap strips, store sticker, store ephemera, anything that you wish. Now, because this is your notebook and you've designed it, you can add whatever you wish inside. Here I have my personal memorandum agenda, and I can place it right inside my book and close it. You open out your book. Here it is. A nice vintage book. And this is it. This is our completed upcycled vintage book, and I think it looks really cute, really awesome, and really expensive. Thank you for joining me.